back again. I would do anything at all.
Good morning, everybody. Charles and I are actually getting ready to go give this a second try and go to this excursion. Of course, it is humid out here, like always, coming straight from the room. Thanks to Miss Ebony for these shirts, honey. But we are go grab some money out of the ATM, or pesos, because the ATMs don't have no cash in them. But when I tell y'all this resort is so funky, they're saying that this never happens. It's like just a bad time of year. I will never. I won't even pay I wouldn't pay $100 to come back here. Ain't gonna be able to do it. Ain't gonna be able to do it.
Good morning. Hopefully we'll get this thing going today.
Let's go.
I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
So we made a pit stop for everyone to use the restroom in Miches. So we are in Miches right now using the restroom, and I needed motion sickness pills and they ran out because we're getting on a speedboat.
We out here spending pesos. We out here making it rain with pesos.
Yeah, we're getting ready to head back on the bus. And the guy talked for like a full hour. But bro, he spoke three languages.
Right.
Fluently. And that was just the three that he spoke to us.
I might throw him a 20 minutes.
Oh no, they don't like cars with the H. So we'll see y'all on the speedboat. We get on the speedboat first, right?
I think that's what it said, yeah.
Speedboat first. No more motion sickness pills. Y'all know how I be getting about the motion sickness and stuff. But I'ma deal with it. I'ma deal with it. I'ma deal with it. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Everybody getting on the boat.
There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. I haven't seen the best of me.
I already know I'm gonna be sick a little bit. I feel like I gotta throw up. So maybe I should have sat by the water. You wanna switch me?
Sure.
I know you can try to fool yourself like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in.
But why you so beautiful though?
I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Got her on air conditioning?
And she didn't get sick. I didn't. I just went to sleep. I took a nap too. Yeah, I just kind of had to go. Just had to go to sleep. Yeah, the guy should hold up. Yo. Yes, yes.
What's up, man?
Do you want a boat, or do you go? You can go with this. You want a boat?
No, this is good.
Yeah, that's good.
You think we need boots? No. Okay. Yo, we pulled up and there's like 1,500 horses over there. Huh? Yeah. So I gotta put on a helmet and smash my fro, which is fine. And I've never ridden a horse before. Are you ever ridden a horse before?
No, bro, but I'm all-purpose everything. Let me give y'all the tour. Obviously, I'll make the channel better. Relax, you gotta relax. Come on, bro. And I'll lift, bro. Come on. So I'm about to go get on this horse right here. If I die, Y'all know what's going on. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I got the squad with me.
Whoever's ready, let's line up so we start getting.
Back to our regularly scheduled program. We are about to ride horses. Ebony, you ever ride a horse before by yourself?
Not since I was a little kid.
Yeah, see.
So no.
Look at all of our guides. Look at our guides. Everybody in red is gonna be guiding us. Charles, my hair is too big to be.
You gotta loosen up the shaft.
Can you help me, baby? Thank you, baby.
What's up, boo?
Hey. What family?
Que lo que?
Hey, ¿qué lo que?
Tranquilo. Dime, papi.
What's up, papi?
Everything good?
Sí.
Todo bien?
Excelente. English. Charles.
Charlie.
Yeah. Georgie? All right.
We are horse riding, and this is my first time. And I probably shouldn't have this thing out. But look at Charles.
What's up, baby?
Alright, so we just parked the horse and we're getting ready to going to the waterfall now. First time riding a horse, and it was fun and scary at the same time. But yeah, let's go to the waterfall. Have a good time.
All right. We made it to the waterfall. Yeah, be careful. It's a little deep in some spots. Hey, where the rest of our crew at, babe? It's a little deep.
I can't swim in this. Are you standing up over there?
I'm on some rocks.
Okay. Where they at?
Oh, the rest of our crew? I don't know.
Maybe can I stand?
It's a little deep.
It's a little deep. I can't. Look, guys, we're in.
Hey, look at it.
Look how beautiful that is.
That's real.
I know my limits. 5 feet or under. We could have marked out kissing under a waterfall from our bucket list.
Okay, I did.
No.
I can't touch the ground at all. I can feel the ground right here.
Trust me, baby. Trust me.
I trust you. I trust you.
All right, we are done with the waterfall. Back on the horses again after a long back hike up the stairs. Fun time. It was good. I enjoyed every minute of it. Of course, had to stop to get some water. Took him a lot of energy to get up the hill.